Man called Sok charged for home breaking. Almost 1 million robbed in St. Thomas. Policeman arrested in connection. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A Trelawney man was charged with housebreaking and larceny, housebreaking with intent, and malicious destruction of property following an incident in his community on Thursday, April 13. Charged is 19-year-old Twin Campbell, otherwise called Sok, a laborer of Spicy Hill in the parish. Reports from the Duncans police are that at about 10 a.m., a woman who is the owner of two houses on the same property securely locked both and left. Upon her return, she discovered that one of the properties had been broken into and that approximately 200,000 Jamaica was stolen. The lock on the grill of the second property was also damaged. She reviewed CCTV footages of the property and saw Campbell accessing the homes and made a report to the police. On Friday, April 14, a targeted raid was conducted and Campbell was pointed out by the woman. He was taken into custody, interviewed, and subsequently charged on Sunday, April 16. His court date is being finalized. The St. Thomas police are on the hunt for gunmen who reportedly robbed a victim of almost 1 million along the Cedar Valley Main Road in the parish on Tuesday. According to the police reports, the complainants were standing along the main road when they were approached by a Toyota motor car from which a man brandished a gun. A bag containing $999,000 was taken from the victims while the accused returned to and escaped in the motor car. The police later found the vehicle abandoned in Albion Mountain. While observing the vehicle, a man armed with a handgun approached and identified himself as a policeman. His action aroused the suspicion of his colleagues and he was held while the scene was processed, a report made to the Independent Commission of Investigations. In the interim, the man has been held on reasonable suspicion of robbery with aggravation.